Was Izzy crying in the closet? What? I couldn't believe that. Just because he was confronted with the truth and he couldn't face it and he had no answer, he went to cry in the closet. For real? Okay, I gotta give it to Stacey though. She's one strong woman and she picks up on everything. She is no fool. Okay, when Izzy was confronting Johnny and he was confronting her with so much passion, I mean, he never stopped. And then he went to Chris as well to talk to Chris about Johnny. Why is he so concerned about Johnny? Because think about it. It's not only Johnny he had a thing with in the pods. He also did have a thing with Lydia. But he's not spoken about Lydia at all. He couldn't care less about Lydia. But he's so passionate about Johnny. I think there's feelings there. And he's hurt that Johnny likes Chris now and doesn't look Izzy's way at all. He is so passionate about her. The way he goes on about Johnny, he doesn't even go on about Stacey like that. And Stacey has picked up on it. And then she was holding him accountable, questioning him, why are you so concerned about Chris and Johnny? And then he was like, oh, and he sweats. He gets all flushed and funny, shaky when he talks about Johnny. And Stacey picked up on that. Because at the house, when he was like, oh, I'm so happy that you stuck up for me and stuff. And Stacey was like, but why are you going on about Johnny? Oh, I'm not going on about Johnny. I'm going on about Chris. Still said, why are you going on about Chris? Because whatever it is about Chris is also about Johnny. And then he said, oh, I'm so glad I picked you and not her. And Stacey didn't like that either. I wouldn't like that either. Why can't you just like me for me? Why are you comparing me to another woman? Why are you talking about picking me? Not for my qualities, but in comparison to another woman. So I think Stacey's onto him. And I'm glad that she's got the brains to see what he's doing. Crying in the closet because he was being held accountable. Come on now. Is that your defense? Crying in the closet? Izzy needs a helmet because life is tough.